finger.
Come on! Hara taku toi te tō takatai! Engari e tō takatini! Kai waho! Kai waho!
That concludes the graduation ceremony for the graduates of 11 Bar 1 Recruit course. Shortly we will ask you to join the graduates on the program for a brief get-together. The graduates will accompany you on a tour of the CRTS's training facilities, and you'll get a chance to see some of the facilities and equipment they've been using over the past week. At approximately 1